Hello guys, good morning to everyone. Welcome back again our channel. It's me, JERLIE, isang OFW, ang iyong tagapaglingkod. So, kamusta kayo guys? Today is the Monday. Happy Monday to everyone. Kamusta yung mga kapwa kong mga vloggers at mga kapwa kong mga OFW sa mga sulok sa mundo? And the new subscriber, thank you so much for subscribe my channel. And then God bless you more. At saka maraming salamat po sa inyo sa pagbisita lagi sa bahay ko. And then sa mga pamilya ko sa Kidapawan City, hello po. And then mga relatives din po sa North Cotabato, hello po. So today we are the blog about for the beauty products. So because I love to review each the beauty product. So let's be talk. Before that, please don't forget like, share and subscribe my video. And then disclaimer lang tayo, kung ayaw nyong manonood ng video ko, pwede nyong escape. So let me start. Today we are the familiar ba kayo sa spa salt? It means salt scrub. So I review today about the product of Yoko cucumber. Yan. Cucumber spa salt like that. So this is visible, smooth and soft skin. So this so I review only this. We have 5 benefits of the skin if you using this salt in our body. We have 5 benefits. Una is the skin glow, and then exfoliate your skin, and then your dead skin also remove, and then maintain glowing your skin, and then cellulite your skin. That's all guys. So marami siyang benefits sa ating katawan. So if you apply this salt scrub in your body, everybody that did the dirt skin is removed like that, because we need also the body treatment because of sometimes hindi natin alam. Yun guys, kailangan natin gumamit. So let's review what is cucumber spa salt. So the cucumber spa salt is the skin exfoliant enriched the vitamin A, and then the cucumber extract. So I select the cucumber because I love cucumber. And then with natural salt benefits, this provide the nourish to your skin, and pure cucumber, it's remove the dirt deposit and then the dead skin cells from your body. It's giving new and radiant skin. So we have this direction also, and then the ingredient, and then this distributed. This product is made from Thailand. I love also the product of Thailand because mostly the product Thailand of the beauty product is the best like that. So this is from Yoko company in the Thailand. So marami naman dito nag-import ng product like this, yung mga ganyan Yoko product. So ganyan. So ang direction I can read is the pore spa salt put in your hand and rub gently in the circular motion and the wet skin. Leave in your skin with 3 minutes and then rinse with the clean water. After you use, you can feel your skin softness and fresh like that. So the ingredients is sodium chloride, glycerin. Before I blog also glycerin. So glycerin is too much benefits. Sodium, sulfate, acanthus leaf powder, Eurypia fruit oil, androdaphnis plate and leaf powder, and then fruit extract with vitamin A and tocopherol, like that. Yun ang ingredients nito ng cucumber flavor ng spa. This is visible, smooth, and skin. So this is also moisturizing, smooth, and baby skin, and then enriched vitamin A. So we have this vitamin A. So today when I'm going shower, so I use this. Yun guys, I can review this guys. So this is, you become your skin glow and smooth. Yun guys, yung mga kapwa kong mga OFW and then the women, so we can use this. Sometimes we need to care the body, also our skin. This is also the treatment or the skin, like that. So kasi nga ni-research ko din to kung ano ba ang benefits ng sea salt scrub, like that. So yan, pero kaya bumili ako nito and then gagamitin ko din. So ganyan. So it's the best cucumber. Yan, mura lang to guys. I think is nag-sale yata to sa Almaya, yung binili ko ng last Friday. Nag-sale ito ng 2 dirhams. So kinuha ko siya isa. Yan, kasi nga gamitin ko din. Kasi marami din siya, is 300 grams. Yan guys. So the product is made in Thailand. Yoko and then cucumber spa salt. So that's all guys, the I review for the spa salt, and then you can try this also. So this is affordable, this is very budget, and then that is good for the health, also our skin is good for the treatment. So thank you so much to all guys. So shout out pala sa mga kaibigan ko, kay Miho Lorin, kay Joy, kay Ate Cherry, Eileen Vlogs, and my other groups, Sutamil family, Mama's Cookings, Simple Cooking Vlogs, and then Phil Korean Vlogs, and Jonas Family Vlogs, and Nensky Vlog. So shout out to everyone, and then thank you so much for watching my video. Hope you enjoy this video, and then you have to learn today about my blog about the beauty products, and then the health for the treat for our skin. So thank you so much guys. Have a nice day, happy Monday. So that's all. It's me, JERLIE, isang OFW. Bye bye.